The DevOps Marketplace has evolved from low-risk, project-based applications to enterprise-grade, mission-critical applications. Security, scalability, high availability have always been cornerstones in that marketplace. So how does Perforce fit into that market? Perforce has always been known as a trusted supplier of tools to organizations to help their teams collaborate and innovate across the world at scale. We have a track record in version control, which has been the foundation for DevOps for a long time, providing a single source of truth across organizations. Our version control system, Perforce Helix Core, is designed to support DevOps with high availability and high performance, millions of transactions a day. You just need to look at our customer base to see that we're trusted by some of the world's most innovative brands, including NVIDIA, Pixar, Ubisoft and Scania. As an organization, we've more than doubled in size in the last year, adding more enterprise-grade technologies. So now we offer agile planning, Helix ALM, testing and static analysis tools. Version control is the foundation for DevOps. What do I mean by the foundation? Well, developer requests used to be most of the traffic that hit the VCS, but now it's automation. And Helix Core is designed to support enterprise-grade automation. So what's the future of version control in the cloud? Since a lot of our customers are large, they have servers in many remote geographic locations. Many want to move to the cloud for better performance, easier administration and flexibility. Helix Core deployments can either be 100% cloud, multi-cloud or a hybrid. So we're really excited to speak to everyone at Cloud Expo Europe about how we can make their DevOps ambitions a reality, with the scale, security and performance demanded from true enterprise mission-critical applications.